Hi. Today I'm going to show you how to color a portrait in a pop art style using these markers. The drawing should be like a puzzle. As you can see, I've clearly defined the light and shadow using lines. Now I start coloring the entire background with yellow, using strokes in only one direction so the marker texture looks even. Now I start coloring the hair with a black marker. Now I color the highlighted areas of the hair with light blue, and while coloring, I leave some areas white to give it a nicer effect. Now I start coloring some parts of the face with light pink. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be informed of my weekly tutorials. And don't forget to like the video, because it helps it get recommended to more people. I start coloring the eyebrows, the pupils, and the lash line with a black marker. Now I start coloring the lines above the eyelids, the iris of the eye, and the hollow under the eye with light blue. I color the delicate parts of the eyes with a black fine liner pen that has a thinner tip. Now I color the shadows on the cheeks and face with dark pink, and blend the darker areas with cream. The marker technique, like other drawing techniques, allows you to create different colors by layering them on top of each other. I also color the dark shadow under the neck with a black marker. Now I start coloring the rest of the face with cream and light pink. I use cream to color the nose, leaving the highlighted areas uncolored. For the area under the nose and the shadows on the sides of the nose, I use a mix of pink and cream. I also color the raised areas of the eyelids with light pink. Now I color the lips with dark orange, leaving the white areas uncolored. To create shadows on the lips, I use dark mustard, and I color the inner corners of the mouth and the line between the teeth with light gray. Then I use a black fine liner pen to shade the shadows, giving them a nicer effect. I also color the neck using light and dark pink along with cream, and I blend the cream with dark pink in the darker areas. Now I color the clothes with dark blue, and I darken some of the lines with a black marker for a better effect. Now I work on the hair details with a black fine liner pen, and I also add a few lines over the highlights to make them look nicer. And here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next video. Goodbye.